This here is my 1999 iMac. It has problems, but technically it runs. A Mac that I have that doesn't run is the Macintosh Plus that I found in a graveyard. Restoration began, and the first order of business was to clean out the computer. It did come to us that the idea of adding vinegar might not be the greatest of ideas, but we were out of options because we didn't have very many products with us that would help us. I like this part here because it looks like we're panning for gold.
Or 4 sticks of RAM.
Alright, well, let's play Guess That Chip. That's got to be the CPU because it's Motorola and it's the biggest.
Okay. I saw you.
Oh my god!
Oh, shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Shut up!
Unplug it! And I was like, oh, okay.
Okay, it blew up. We had to use the extinguisher.
It's not like I haven't gone through this before.
So yes, the PSU blew up on us and put a nice big coat of whiteness all over my porch. We do plan on coming back to this project at some point in the future, but as of now, it's sitting in my friend's basement. This is the capacitor right here, this yellow one. As stated, we do want to come back to this project at some point, but we have other projects that we're working on right now that are a bit more important, but I'll update when we have more of a plan. The other thing I want to say is the only reason we used this tube was because we thought that since we didn't have the original, obviously it was smashed in, we thought that it would be a good, fit as long as we just connected them properly. And what we ended up doing was taking plastic or whatever it was, I don't remember, like transparent, and surrounding the tube in the hole for the regular size one so that you could see inside of it. It was really cool. But be sure to stay tuned and check in for updates whenever they're available. And goodbye.